Igbo bụ Igbo ekele m unu. Ndewonu. Greetings, my people. Today I want to take you on a beautiful journey. A journey into the heart of the Igbo culture, one of the richest, most vibrant, and deeply rooted cultures in Africa. To be Igbo is to be proud. We are known for our strength, our resilience, and our deep sense of community. The Igbo people, found mainly in the southeastern Nigeria, are bound together by traditions that celebrate life, unity, and progress. Let's start with how we dress. Traditional Igbo attire is full of color, grace, and meaning. Men often wear the ishiago, a richly patterned top, usually with lion head print, a symbol of bravery and royalty. It's paired with a red cap, the obu, especially among elders and titled men, showing respect and leadership. Women. The beauty of an Igbo woman shines through her wrapper, often the George or Ankara, tied elegantly around her waist, with coral beads adorning her neck and wrist. Her head tie, the gele, crowns her like a queen. Every piece tells a story of dignity, elegance, and pride. Now, what is culture without food? Igbo food is a feast for the soul. We love our ofe nsala, the white soup, ofe onugbu, bitter leaf, ofe oha, ofe owere, akpu, fufu, jollof rice, and our almighty Ugba and abacha, the African salad. Each meal is more than just food. It is an experience, often shared in family gatherings, where laughter and storytelling fill the air. Our traditions run deep. From the Nkwu, the traditional marriage ceremony, filled with dance, color, and joy, to the New Yam Festival, Iriji, which is where we give thanks for harvest and abundance. Every event connects us to our ancestors. Respect for elders is sacred. The kola nut, Oji, is always presented first at any gathering. He who brings kola brings life. It's not just a saying, it is a symbol of unity and peace. And then there is our language, Igbo, melodic, expressive, and powerful. When you hear Kedu, Odimma, Chukwu Gozie Gi, it carries warmth, blessings, and identity. Language is our soul. Even as the world changes, speaking Igbo keeps us connected to our roots. Being Igbo is about enterprise, akuruolo, meaning wealth should reach home. It's about never forgetting where we come from, no matter how far we go. It's about community, celebration, and legacy. The Igbo culture is not just history. It is living, breathing, and evolving. It is in our music, our fashion, our food, and our values. It reminds us of who we are, Ndi Igbo, proud, united, and strong. So whether you are home or abroad, remember, Igbo bụ nke anyị. Igbo belongs to all of us. Let us keep it alive. Thank you.